Hey guys, welcome back for some more TCM. I'm playing Killer Klowns and fighting in those games has got me in the mood for fighting in Texas Chainsaw as well. So who better than the man himself, Leland, although we do play Julie in game 2 because we couldn't get hold of him. I'm not going to cover the builds that much, although I will flash them up here, but we've covered them before, so we all know what you do with these builds, so there's no surprises with it. And yeah, like and subscribe if you do enjoy the content, and we're definitely still going to be playing Killer Klowns as well if you're here for that. But we've definitely not forgot about Texas Chainsaw. We're still having a lot of fun with it. It's been a while. Anyway, let's jump in. Hoping that we don't mess up and die right away. I mean, we've got no cell, so we should be okay. We are against the big three. Is he going to turn back? He's not. Does it look different? They've changed something here. I'll be honest, I didn't read the patch notes, but this section definitely looks different from how it usually does. Anyway, it's not a big deal, I suppose. God, our proficiency is terrible. This will probably be the only door we unlock. Crap, I got stuck in the step there. Right, we need some bone scraps. He may come this way. Or he might not. Oh, I think I heard him getting stabbed by somebody. Someone's stealing their jobs. I bet it's Anna. It's always an Anna. Oh, thank God someone did that so I can just make noise. That was taking forever. What is going on? They've definitely changed the lighting. This is the first time I've played since the patch, so... Wait, did he not see me? I guess not. Oh, he saw that person. Let's see if we can help. We've got no cells, so even if we turn around and hit us, it's not too bad. It's not ideal, obviously, but... Did he see me? Oh, he did. Ah, nice. We still got it. I wasn't too worried since we got no cells, so... It wasn't like we could have died there. Oh, someone's emptied that one. It might even have been me. I wasn't paying attention. Should be one around here, I think. Here's one here. Yep, there we go. Has someone done this door? Nice, they have. We'll go up here instead. Okay, someone's out the house. That's good. Let's go up and get in the fight. No cell let us keep our barge as well, which is big.
They're everywhere.
Heard that chime going. What's going on here? Right. Oh, I think they jumped out the back window. We can maybe help them here. Yeah, they did. We'll stay here and we'll grapple whoever comes to get her. We've got Yana, don't worry. Unfortunately, we can't help Connie. Right, we need to make a run for it. I don't think Anna had a unlock tool. That's fine though. If he comes this way, it's actually good for us. Oh, he reset the trap! It's fine. Oh crap, that did not work. That did though. Is this open? It is. Ooh, someone's out. Alright, we actually didn't really take it much damage there. What doesn't kill you heals his he's probably reset that trap though. Still kept their barge, which is nice. We could use a small health item, I guess, but we're still fine.
I knew they were here somewhere.
They got a car battery because I'm sure I heard it, but yeah, that's it back on. Right, they got out here. Where's generator? Because we do have the 50 strength and choose fight. So if there's only one family member, we can actually do it in their face. We do want to be a bit sneaky though. Nope. No, it's not good. He's probably just got to go back and forth between them. We do have the 50 strength though, so we might actually be able to kick it in the time it takes him to rotate. I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out. So wait for him to go back to car battery. Nice, I think we're timed this well. Perfect. Let's make a run for it. We've got our barge for Leatherface and we've got 2 bone scraps, so we should be alright here. And 2 stacks of no cell, even if he does get the hit on us. Or he's not chasing for some reason. Well, that's certainly a decision. Maybe he didn't think he was going to catch us. I mean, he would be right if he knew what we've got with 2 bone scraps, 2 stacks of no cell. Yeah, there was no way he was going to get us anyway. Maybe he knew. Well, I don't think there's really anything that we can do for the others here. Or, wait, who is it that's left? Anna. We'll hang on a second though, just so she doesn't get the last person out, the sort of bleed effect. Ah, she's out. Perfect. Well, just lost to 1. That's quite good for the big 3 on Family House. I'll take that. Let's go on to the next one. So, Leland was taken, so I didn't have my Anna build set up, so we're settling for Julie instead. Then she also gets choose fight, which is just so good for these types of builds. And maybe she'll have taken no cell or something, but a bit late to worry about that now. Especially since there is a Leatherface in this one and a Johnny. No cell would have been nice. We'll go without. Does he see me? Nah. Should get away with just spamming this. Oh, no. Johnny's here. Is he coming round? Really? He guessed that? Oh, we've got bounce back there. Chase as much as you want in here, Johnny boy. Although Leatherface here might be a problem. Is he coming back?
Are they gone? Please.
Guess not. They probably went upstairs, I guess.
Get away. Get away.
Who's that? I think that's a victim. I heard someone. Yeah, it's Connie. We need the XP for these perks. We don't actually use them often at all on Julie, so they're kind of low level. Oh crap. Sound like he was coming back down.
We can help each other.
Maybe not. I can't tell. This sounds kind of weird. You know what? Let's just use this unlock tool and get this one opened over here.
Keep moving. Leon, be careful.
And the 20 proficiency is going to hurt us here, but it's not that big of a deal, I guess. Alright, so fighting builds generally you should be going for Valve. It's kind of dangerous here with Leatherface and Johnny, but
Isn't it?
we'll probably just do it anyway. Oh, there's Johnny there. Yeah, he's realised that he's not getting anywhere there. We'll open it back up again though. I'm fine with wasting his time. If he wants to come back down and do it again.
Are they gone? Are they really gone?
I was hoping he'd come back down so I could backstab him if he tried to close that door again. He may be waiting here for me. Or maybe not. Wonder if we could go for generator. Oh, who's that? I think that is a victim over there. Maybe we can interrupt Nancy here.
There they are again. Just in time for Sadie to lose him.
This will give whoever that was more time. Leland's unfortunately dead, but not much we could do about that. Can we hold still here? Nancy knows. Okay, we're in trouble because Johnny's here and Leatherface is coming. I think Johnny's heading to car battery. Who's that? Oh, it's Johnny. Really, Johnny? You see someone get out and just immediately rage quits? Come on, man.
You seem like
Ah well, seems we're all out here. Yeah, Virginia, I wouldn't effort in to find out. Let's just get out of here. Well, GG I guess. Leland was a good distraction for us. Right, back in on Family House. We did get a hold of Leland again, thankfully. Not that I dislike Julie, it's just for what we're doing, Leland is better for it. Right, and I don't actually have the perks leveled up on Julie. Which made it a bit worse.
What do we have here?
If that's someone coming behind them, we'll just let them grab. Oh, I guess it isn't.
Alright.
Oh, Grandpa's up nice and quick. I think we've got time here. Right, we got there eventually. Let's get some board scraps and then we'll head on up. Should be some through here. I think this one's 100% chance of spawn. I don't think I've ever been here and not had bone scraps here. Oops, I did not want to do that. What's going on here?
you look like you're
Um, not quite sure what's happening here, so I'm a bit weird about going in. Screw it, let's go.
We got this.
Come on, give me the stun. It's just not giving me the prompt. Come on. Thankfully he didn't hit us there because that would ruin our no-sell. Right, Hitchy's in. He'll probably come through here, they usually do. Was he not? We can maybe use this as an opportunity then. If we've run through and Hitchy's messing around in basement, we can maybe even just jump out the window right now actually. Screw it, let's do it. No trap. Our health is pretty low, but that's fine. We've still got no cell to keep us alive. And there should be health around here too.
They're all over. Stay hidden.
Wait, what is he doing there? I don't know if he saw me.
Lost him again. I gotta stay hidden.
Well, that should get his top back up. Not to full, but to a point where we're not really worried about dying. Right, he's actually got Connie. It sounds like it's coming from in the house though. Did they go back in?
This'll work.
For some reason nobody came out to get me. Maybe I should just go up and kick generator. Whoa, crap. Spoke too soon. Well, we can keep her busy out here. I'd rather not have the other family members know. Most people don't use comms, so... Yeah, sis, you're kind of playing yourself here. Don't know why she put poison there. I can go anywhere here. Oh, there she is. I lost sight of her for a sec. She might poison this and she will actually get us with it, but it's not that big of a deal. Oh, she actually missed. And I wonder if we can actually just run around the front of the house here and maybe kick the generator even with her chasing us. Can we get a sneak attack here? That would be big. Nope. Let's see if we can still get the gen kick though. Oh god, I think Leatherface is coming. Don't know if we'll have time for this. Nope. Nope, we do not. Do that if you want, sissy. I know she's out of poisons now.
Gotta keep my eyes peeled.
I don't think she can really do anything about us here. I think if we go this way, we might even be able to get her with a sneak attack. There we go. Wonder if we can pick the generator. Not now, because obviously we're grabbing these, but... There she is. I don't know if our poison... It doesn't look like it's still here, but sometimes it can go a bit graphically weird. Well, let's give us enough time. It does. Perfect. That's why Choose Fight is broken. Just in case you're wondering. Oh, there's a rage quit.
Okay. Finally. They're gone. Where are the others?
Nah, she's not going to catch us. Get a bit worried that there was going to be like some suffocating grip, but even if they had that, I'm pretty sure she couldn't get me. We'll waste a bit of her time here if she wants to commit, just because we've got barge as well, so... Because sometimes a family member, if they're not communicating, they'll switch on the generator and actually trap the person out here. Well, I don't really think there's more that we could do here. So let's just head out. We gave them a lot of time, so I'm hoping that they'll be able to get something done. So after a really long chase, Sunny got out just fine. Unfortunately, Virginia, not so lucky, she got caught. So, yeah, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.